Hi, I'm Teacher Hernan, and welcome to Math for You. In this video, I'll be discussing with you about mental division. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification if you want to be updated with all my latest videos. Now, if you want to divide whole numbers mentally, we simply consider compatible numbers. And what are these compatible numbers? Well, they are just numbers that can easily be divided. Look at the given examples. We have 12 divided by 4 is simply 3. 32 divided by 8 is simply 4. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And 72 divided by 9 equals 8. Now let's discuss some examples on how to divide mentally. Take a look at example number 1. 56 divided by 4. So what will you do? You simply split the 56 into two numbers wherein they can easily be divided by 4. So can you think of two numbers that can easily be divided by 4? Yes, it's 40 plus 16. 40 plus 16 will give us 56. If you notice, 40 can be divided by 4 easily, and 16 also can be divided by 4 easily, right? And we can do that mentally. So we divide 40 by 4 plus the 16, divide also by 4. So divide this, you get 10, plus divide this, you get 4. After that, simply add the quotients, and that will give you 14. So 56 divided by 4 is simply 14. Now let's have example number 2. I have here 84 divided by 7. Again, we simply split 84 into two numbers, but be sure these two numbers can easily be divided by 7. And how will you split 84? Yes, it's 70 plus 14. 70 plus 14 will give you 84. And if you notice, 70 can be divided by 7 easily, and so with 14. So, let's divide 70 by 7 plus 14 divided by 7. Let's divide 70 divided by 7, that's 10, right? Plus 14 divided by 7, that's simply 2. So add them, 10 plus 2, that's 12. So our answer is 12. So 84 divided by 7 is 12. Okay, let's have one more example. Example number 3, we have 102 divided by 6. So can you think of two numbers that can easily be divided by 6? Yes, it's 60 plus 42. Correct. 60 plus 42 will give you 102. And if you notice, 60 can easily be divided by 6. So with 42. So let's divide 60 by 6 plus 42 divided by 6. 60 divided by 6 will give us, yes, 10. Plus 42 divided by 6 will give you 7. So add 10 plus 7, that will give you 17. So our answer, 102 divided by 6 is 17. Now let's see how far you understood the lesson on mental division by answering these two exercises on the board. Let's have the first one. It's 91 divided by 7. What do you think is the quotient? Okay, it's what? 13, right? How to get 13? How will you divide this mentally? Again, you split 91, wherein the two numbers can easily be divided by 7. And that's it, and that is 70 plus 21. If you add this, that's 91. I can divide this by 7, correct? That will give me 10. I can divide this by 7, and that will give me 3. So if I'll add 10 plus 3, The answer is 13. Correct. What about for number 2? It's 112 divided by 8. What do you think is the quotient? Yes, you're correct. The answer is 14. And how to get 14? How will you divide this mentally to get 14? You split this into, yes, 80 plus 32. If you add 80 plus 32, that's 112. And if you notice, 80 can easily be divided by 8. 32 rather, can easily be divided by 8 also. So if I'll divide this by 8, I'll get 10. I'll divide this by 8, I'll get 4. So if you add the 10 and the 4, that will give you 14. So the answer is 14. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.